want to come out and say thank you for the support you gave to me, for how you pleaded on my behalf. But it's so unfortunate that this governor still went ahead and destroyed my hotel. Well, doing that will not make me to come and say now I will support you, I will be afraid. I was born and brought up in Benin, and I'm a prince. So I cannot, there's no way I will run away from my land. But Obaseki to went as far and destroy my property because of election. He has not contributed one thing to my life. He has not had buy me one pure water one day. Today, what I've achieved in my life, he went there and destroyed. Well, I thank God. May God bless him. May God continue to help him. Since he said this is the only way we can dialogue, this is the only way he can oppress us to come and join him. Well, for me, he has done more than his worth. He cannot do more than this. If it's God that created my life, he will take my life. If he's not the God, he can't take my life. Well, all the people that is supporting, clamoring for him, that Kabaka Hotel have been destroyed. Well, that won't take nothing from me, but you, Kabaka Hotel is destroyed. Your own days are numbered. Your own days, your time will also come when same thing will happen to you. Your own time will come when same thing will happen to you. First to do, you know the pain. Well, my brothers and sisters, my brothers in diaspora, my Niger Delta's Avengers, I want to tell you, let everybody remain calm. The days are numbered. 100 years is not forever. But what happened to me, some people are happy, while some people are not happy. Well, if it's a good thing, a good turn deserves another. This is not the way we play politics. Since it is the way he said he wants to pay us, it's all good. After our labor for years, after my labor for years, I've not held a political appointment before. All the days of my life, after working for government, they will give us board or recognize us with one thing. So since he said he's demolishing, he's destroying, in all the days of my life in politics, I've never seen them using dynamite in election. This Obaseki regime introduced dynamite. And you know, kidnapper came to Benin, he didn't go, because Benin, we don't pray that anything evil to come to Benin. Once they embrace it, it is difficult for them to leave it. Kidnapper came to Nigeria, Edo was etc. Armed robbery came to Nigeria, Edo was etc. Courtesan came to Nigeria, Edo State etc. Now the governor has introduced bombing. So thank you for that. We are watching. Let's see what God does for us. Thank you, my viewers. Let me tell you once again, we are in court. I see surprised that this governor violated the court order. On Friday is supposed to be our judgment. This very Friday. This man violated the court order. He went up beyond the court and go and my property. Well, it's all good. Thank God if they sell their property. So, with time, after you leave the office, after the reggae will play the blues. You cannot force me to come and work for you. If you like, go and do anything. Obaseki, you will not get my vote. You will not get my support. If you like, do anything. I was born and brought up in Benin. You can't drive me away from my land to start with. So the police, the security agency that accompany you there to go and destroy my property, well, it's not good. I thank God. Wabaziga and policemen are not made to do this. I am surprised. Police that Boko Haram is killing our people, they did vote for Boko Haram. The police that were in my compound today is more than 150. And civil defense. So why are we going to war? You have never gotten to this. So if you know it's above this, no problem. Everything have its time and season. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Okay, we have some picture of the police here. Yeah. The police officers that went there, there are more than over 200 policemen. We have civil defense and so many other security agents that was brought there. just to destroy one mass property. For what reason, we do not know. Because of the fact that he's opposing the second term of Godwin Obaseki, which is a fundamental human right that exists in Nigeria. Is it that Governor Obaseki wants everybody to keep quiet, not to talk on the oppression and thuggery activities that is ongoing in those states? Well, we leave the rest for those states, for the people to decide. Thank you very much and God bless. Please share this broadcast. Share this broadcast as it's very important for people to know what is happening in those states, how the tyrant governor is oppressing everybody because they have come out to say they do not support second term. You know, we as people of those states, we need to uphold our fundamental human rights no matter who is who. So please share this video wide, share it far and wide so the government will understand and get the message of Comrade Tony Kabaka. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello, my people. How you are doing? Good afternoon. We are waiting for what? We are waiting for your new release, Kabaka. So painful, brother. Be strong. My people, now good afternoon. It's your girl, Monica Loboloboike, shine your shine, one of the universe. One thing we talk just now, this one at the video with Comrade Tony Kabaka did when they destroy a house. Wait till he get to talk. He don't talk. Life must go on. Thank God Almighty for everything. Thank God say they are alive. That they destroy poor man. That they are alive. They destroy big man. He go still they alive. I mean na me there. In short, I come here and they were do for some time now. Come they reign where among our people. One thing we just talk just now, that one just touch me where we be say, is anything we enter beneath people hand, so it usually they be. Kai, that one he enter. That one enter brain. He enter brain too much. So even people for home, even people for home still know say anything we enter beneath people hand, so it they be. Then why total boa 1 hour 1 video? Make we try, make we all stop to the stopper. We be say anything we reach beneath people hand, they go turn to something else. More try to the limit time. More try to the stopper. Now so destroy of property come from or show destroy time. Area why here near. Oh, Baseki don't come. He continue. Another person is a yamu. Now na say he must come now. If na he also come now, so he want continue. The one where Obaseki do remain, anybody will not come give am to. He go can't do him own because this Tony Kabaka own somebody else must go down for it. Then after that person own, when another person come, he go just continue. Lagos, they better their place they go. When you reach Lagos, you know, believe, say this one and Lagos where you see how many years ago. Binio, if you reach there, oh Jesus Christ, Walao na, I beg. As una don't know now, for now to talk this one, and be say even the head, from the head, una know say it's bad. He say countries he reach those state, he turn to another one. Agberu reach those state, their own talk to another one. What did they call her again? Nothing foundation. Now foundation don't reach those state now. Oh, they can everybody. Oh, okay, but no baba do seri mae. A live video oh na be hiore. A live video come it turn to another one. Before you know na YouTube. Right now they no care. Kaya live no more like YouTube. Iga shaworo mafo. Oh God, Tony Kabaka emonta emo wato wa lerere. Anything we enter Benin, anything we enter Edo State, especially that Benin city where the rest village where they know the two make back. Until today, if you reach Ekpoma, you still see family where no go abroad and they are living good. They send their children to school, they finish school, they go to Kano, they go to Lagos, they go to Abuja, they are working, they will marry and they will be fine. For you to see family for that Edo State, when no get person wey reach out to 20 for abroad, now be say that family na God na dey for come Benin, they no be real Benin blood. Anything wey enter Edo, Benin city, mo no even carry and go give other people. They no be like that. Which day Ishan people start to they do or die for year for abroad. If you still see now only one time for Ishan place, now do or die to come abroad. For this abroad, before you still see, you say Ishan, I be this. Where you come from, you go say Uromi. Where you come from, Uromi. Where you come from, Uromi. Before you go see Tiri Ekmoma, you go te. Before you go see Five Ubiaja, you go te. Abina Ebele, Abina Ogwa. It's very, very scanty because they marry themselves. Their wife go they do teaching, their husband go they do cameraman. They are satisfied with it. Ishan woman, you go Ishan place, you go still see woman where born children, all of them marry. You don't see anyone go abroad by fire, by force. Except those one where they fed drive for Ishan land, go Benin, the rich Benin, they can't chop, they can't useless pass. Wait till they come meet for there. If you reach Aunshi woman go grow up for Aunshi, go marry Aunshi man, go they sell a camel. He husband go they do farm rice. He mama go they do cassava farm. They will never do or die. Many of my brothers will marry Aunshi women. Until today, those women, they husbands. Even if na akpu they see, they go soak and they go sell them. They know they come abroad. You know they do the pak, ria, ze, quick. Those family, Bini particularly. They go get senior sister for abroad, junior sister for abroad, second sister for abroad, third sister for abroad. The small one where their mama born yesterday, whenever this virgin. He go dey tell his senior sister say, "Me awa ni ba, me. O wa manare do bi me. Mo do bi me la wa me. Me pe no wa rock pa o. Me awa seva, ya wa mu dey joshun. Tiyan me wina na wa o." Benin city people go still know say my small sister 8 years old sister, if you come here na asha we go say, "Hey, we ma Tony Kabaka emeni to lawa. Emeni owa simia fiera because me wagele oeri. Ekie to ma wi ma vehien ni ave social media. Heroi kene dede. Ai inyagi ya mujiare very soon ya mujiare ijian rien ve dian. Otinya rien ve dian. Aowi rien ve dian. Ivi rien ve dian. Iwe wa sunu dai mane Benin city ni ro ifinye wori ebegima. Wa wari ebena ni ma. Mi mama no wa fima o de bonosie do tuima. Kalabane bo wa kwe wa stage vi yanre. Ni an wa stage wa yesi kalaba de ne na ve ne boya constructe ya erie ya yeje. Unu mi yam we bo except the one where they drive for Calabar land can't stay Benin City. Any tribe where you see for this place, you will know say they drive them for their own state, they can't go Benin. If there is Benin Muyaria or Muria, pooh. Monique kwa. Go see children where fine clean girls we no even need organic cream they bleach. Go see what it that they do. Smoke their life away. Where they come from? Edo, Benin City. Tony Kabaka yenta. Anything we enter Benin, or we last a check up. Uncompleted house enter Benin till today no finish. As they after 10 years they will finish the uncompleted we fair day since 10 years. And not that uncompleted we pass 1 million go just to replace them. Therefore, when I go, the tired person. Until today, I see Igbo people carry drug reach. They still they see Igbo girl wey grow up, marry for a land. So he go suffer the secures for outside. He no go still send pikin to abroad. Now those one me they cause suffer, but they will never try it. Igbo man go yes say na shower that they do for abroad. He go forbid all his family to go there. He go say I sacrifice only myself for all my brother, all my sisters. Benin man go no say na shower that they do for abroad. He go bring all his sister come. Benin man oh. He go bring his senior sister where the husband. He go bring the other one where husband they beat. He go bring the one where your husband don't die. He go bring his sister where never this virgin. He go even bring the one where mama get for inside belly. I don't understand. And if you still talk, they'll say, shut up, oh, hungry de bini, oh, hungry de bini, oh, hungry de bini, oh, bini ado. Egbe weme, ve binya ya adiena, kaya biye wa muya rene. Ne no more, agi, for bini they check woman pregnancy. Now you're doing, are you a gay? Go say yes. The woman go call party, go start to celebrate because 7 years from now, shall be a kate mother. Hey! As we stay, they do and rich. As we they do and rich. Who do us like this now? Now for Benin, now somebody wake up that day. One person start to the insult palace. Another person join her. Another one go join her. Another. If no be God. We just say, these children, why go me yere yagion? Why? You for see presenters. Now that one the photo they gave you us. Now let go, you touch them. Say, I will use fire burn all of you now. Ne cause with the cure komoto. Bini, if you just tell the which they know, say that they pay that boy. Say, which that boy come and say, do you know they pay me to insult the palace? Oh, Bini. Many of them for don't start that business. They go they do audio. They not put their face. They go they do audio. After all that money, veni ya kwene ni go se salobo abi ya ya u. U ga se ke ni ya je ve webo. Aga na yu pon ya gue. Aga no suvun. E ga si negi memi na yaro le. Egbe wo me. Ebe di nebo fifwa. Ebe di na wunya, ebe di ne kansa boke wu, ebe di ne te diabetes giameji, ebe yin ra imwe la wo wa yin imwe blanket yo, yin ivi yin ye ya ri, me ke yan mo ne ni goji. They say HIV now, that they pay people put for Germany. If you get HIV, every 3 years they will pay una 10,000. If I lie for this thing, na HIV family, na tell me oh. Now he make husband and wife come they fight that day for HIV husband and wife come they fight for Facebook. I ask the man, what's your quick banana because you fail no say your wife get HIV, you don't they manage. Every 3 years where they give up 10,000 euro. Me only my wife go just carry and go just destroy am. So as I they talk to Nana, and they say many they don't know for Jim. That's why they say, can you get me? Not talking because they know say Monica have a fan only Saneban, all of them will start to they do one. He go say only you mother ya mo chavire. Only do Who do us like this? Who do us like this? This thing they pay me. This thing they pay me. The way they pay me always another time. When I'll just see overdo, I'll say, which kind of people be this? Why this thing they pay me like this? Why? If I thought just not, they say, you not just there? You know, no. I know they look for dirty money like Kuna. Hey. Jesus Christ. I know they look for dirty money like Kuna. Family bring everybody to abroad. One get there social media, you know the shame. Now those one me they call shameless family. Mama born 8 children, 8 guests, all of us they are bro. Oh, family. The son he born and carry all of them for road. I don't tire. Because this HIV on 10,000 in 3 years. Very soon. Papa, mama for Nigeria go say, my daughter, before you go, just carry HIV before you go. We are what saver the first 3 years of gamma. This my phone, you know, me and live now. Okay, the boy do you. Before now, my pikin come go me sponsor. Now here ga Jenna, the one where they will soon start for Benin Nana. Hell, now my pikin carry the HIV for home. Now the one where they carry for Nigeria, now they say we both they pay put passo. The one where they carry for Africa, now they pass the one where they carry for Europe. My pikin carry for Africa, may you carry go there. The first 3 years, if you just bring the 10,000, I'll just go use and buy land where they for destroy Kabaka hotel. Now there me go just buy. It go soon start to the rain. This thing where I tell they make joke so. Not to be joke for our people. Any bad thing will come out. Not them. Me I think say now let me. Now they always feel am. Me and my girlfriend sometimes we go they talk say why our people be like this? Why? What did they happen? Atie bonia na awangeletie bonia bia wa munyari ya me go because my Bible tell me say the love of money is the root of all evil. Why do people like money like this? Benin City. Because me, I not go pour water for man till they talk. When I know the people where they talk to, I can they say, I just state. Asian people not there. If not be who me, where come over, open a pia because who me many wishes they drag them for there. They come Benin, come they stay. Now from there, they can't see what Benin they do, they can't carry champion. From there, they can't go, they carry their own people. Or else, what Asian people know? Now to grow up, go to school, marry, go do teaching work, your husband go to work, you go to work. That's what they know before. Many years, they don't follow us do. You not go see all this woman now where go say, I come 1988. Why? You know they. You know they. They not go open why come they rush for money like that. Back. Ayete Natana, who still they rush for money for the next day? Many of Ishan city, many not still open air for. I want die. Oh, you will just see her Ishan. They say this are nobody there abroad. Nobody. It's not good, my people. That one way it thought just now. He pay me because if they pay me, I feel they ask. See YouTube business now. Ekaya levai no mo agege la o ne ekaya levai no mo eso e mari pu ede esi sa wa to wa san la we kyo hai sha makata I don't understand. I know you understand why everything always they do all big not good. They nobody they ever rush school. Now that one they pay me inside. When you tell them, Mona they go school, Mona they go. I can't go. Single mother come. The Oyibo don't they see single mother from day one. Now make them do the law of single mother for abroad right from time. Say women you can stay on your own so that you will not be abused. Only the time where Benin people they know say that they use and make money. Now single mother. This word now everybody know, even children. If I ask my children now, which topic are they do for Facebook always? They go say, I know it. I'll say talking. He go say, single mother. Hey, single mother still come. So everybody can know. Because so in a way, I work be like, see UK way open that day. The time where Poland they go UK not say you want close. More na they mark all this word where they talk so. The time where Russian people they go UK not close. UK that time that they ballon money they talk say very good business. They use they do labor. From the time where Benin people, Benin particular, not even Nigeria. For the time where their children, where 12 of them go there, just one flat. They no mind. And we go around what day. Now that time, UK or foreigners want fair UK or foreigners. UK now kekere no woo. We go komoto, we go komoto, we go. Ve na rien se. Ve na balnia se, ve na begi UK se. UK ba. Eh? No be other country make you get komoto. Now the time where our Benin start to go off for na Benin for UK turn to our abroad. Me myself, I come dey sit down, they want that. Eh? Sometimes I ask my husband, oh no, I beg, since when this Netherlands conjure bad for all of them like this? Eh? Netherlands the great before. Agimi aru okpa ma ya ni re ma ogwe favor ma yare ma work pare UK work pare na that okay ya register ne net bo maria me ga na biete Netherlands agi sinki na egbe wa weme ulu le gbogbo wa yere ma wo wa hi the thing they want that me sometimes you do alone but you know understand I can't read news. I be Netherlands one sick. I be the water where they drive come on. One can swallow us. I be waiting when they go home. If you don't ask of this one, where this brother they don't go, where this sister they don't go, where this a pa he don't go, where this uncle he don't go, where this auntie he don't go. Hey Jamie, hey salobua. Yeah. Now the Netherlands. Megi me ma. You want ya four. UK turn to second abroad. Now so where we just be. Eh? See the time where people constantly say, I know go Italy again, America don't close. To even go born there, lie. You know one stay there, may you just born, may you come and lie. Now wow, my people. Now so I feel talk my wish. I not come with you, I want to talk again because as Tony Kabaka talk the thing just now, my brothers, you still know I beg. What can we do? As they do you this one, may you not do back. You do me, I do you. Now be our Benin people biggest problem. You do me, I do you. I will show go. No. Benin mueria. Why? If you talk true, they'll say now you be evil people. Now you they draw people come down. No. You be the talk and what get burning now. They'll say now you be the bad dead. Now you be the bad person. I don't understand this type of people. My brother, Tony Kabaka, I beg, what did they do you? He pain all of us. No do back, make this thing for stop. Because sometimes I saw me they think something. I'll say they say this thing, we not to get back character. Who wants stop her? I do you do me. I do you do me. Who go can't stop the bad thing? That's why I take lead this year to stop. Everybody throw at me. If I throw at you, we are going to continue till the kingdom come. I will not throw. Let me see if they will stop. But I know they will stop. It will take time. Because they don't do Sabina. I bet Tony Kabaka, no do back. Make it for stop. Me no go reach your own children body. Reach our own children body. Person like me, I know my pikin no go fit suffer nothing wey come from Nigeria. You understand? Nothing wey come from Nigeria. Anything when Nigeria decide to do, my children are not there. They can never be involved. But my brother, you say you were born and brought up and you still live there. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't do back. So that this demolition of a thing will finish. I don't know go bring this demolition come. If they right from time, but now small that they do. If you really build us for road, not be when you build us for inside Egbo. People they will build us for inside Egbo government has until today because government don't need that yet. He live there. But now where they can't dey, if you build us for inside Egbo where the government, they'll go call government. Government come. Even if government don't need the line, go come destroy them. Now wickedness is going to continue. You do me, I do you. We only destroy us. Please forgive one another. Is it that painful? As I'm talking this one, now people will say you are stupid. I want to be stupid, but do the right thing. It doesn't matter. As far as my stupidity does not stop my salary, does not make me homeless, does not make me not to know the right thing to do, leave it. Please, Tony Kabaka, no do back, make everything for the hand. Obaseki, in Western world, if government want demolish a property, they will pay you off. But we don't even know if they pay them. We don't know. You know, Nigeria things, it's always backward thing. They will not say the meme thing. It's only me and you they want to deceive. Tony Kabaka supported Oshomo. That's what I'm saying now, my lady. If we say Tony Kabaka don't fair destroy person, we distress Tony Kabaka, then Tony Kabaka will constantly start again. And so we destroy Tony Kabaka, will constantly go destroy another person. They get no ya fo. They get no ya fo. Onya kana wa gelegbe wi. That time una dey talk am. If you do Monica thing, leg be wi. Ge go la me gbe wi ne. No edo ya ama no se lo ya ama. If no kon we nuru. Ora la me gbe wi efian won bo efian won wo ma we ni ge jinwi na ro ma we ni ge himi ni akin wa gbon. I dey as yesterday they think of where I want go gbewe for. I don't know say okay Tony Kabaka over here. Okay be serious is sorry me. Okay, my people, bye. Please, let's forgive one another so that those they can move on, so that Benin people will feel they do better. Please, so that Emigi Segbima no Hyongedan, Emi Segbima, all the best of the best. Thank you all so much. I have to go because this one is really bastard. Bye. Love you all. Let love live. Forgive one another, please. Forgive one another. Forgive one another. Let's forgive one another. Let's forgive one another. Let's forgive one another, please. Please, my people, so that we no go continue to dey dwell in this type of evil. You do me, I do you. You do me, I do you. E no good. Country go use and take end. Edo no go fit move forward. Edo na moving forward be this one. Everybody to Jamaican. Only moving forward now. Tony Kabaka, I pray that God give you peace that passeth all understanding. All your friends where they say, hell, I don't finish. Tony Kabaka, where login? O salo boa no kondudu, no rio bo kanwe hoe. Nu tamiya waya ewe. Amiri na me wagmonde. My brother wa no ye wuso wae. Ede so ene no wa sef. Ya wu no wa iwu. We me mi o wa ni no nya wa wu o wa iwu. Egeni ugureba ewe. Ma emi nu lose owa kakabo digba osalo boari enu una setif forgiving ya osalo boari enu ma ehia boa edere owaga agbina uguma ese 50 years abi there are more days ahead. Trust me, believe God. Sorry my brother lawo go gelawe gbewi emi yarama. May the Lord give you peace that passeth all understanding. Emi no weti I cannot just say this. We have you yore gbewe ye fan. Orion we so tall. Umu yo. No we are done here. We are here because so salobari peace in Lao my brother. He go no lose in aseti digba. But I mean the peace. Osalobari no one. I eti doe. Was agbonro. Emi ume guna me peace or gawe him. My brother, that's the only thing I can say. I hope that you hear and understand what is Monica saying rubbish. Because you are the engineer. Monica, why are you saying rubbish? Please. Love, forgiveness is the only way. Tony Kabaka, please forgive and forget and let love live. Yeah? Thank you all, my dope Benin people. Let's try one more. Try by ourselves to the change small thing. Bad thing wey me they do, I'll change. Bad thing wey you they do, change one. Bad thing wey you they do, change one. I don't say more change all of them. More they drop one. Before you know, changes go they day our name. I love you. Bye.